On the 26th of June, a company called Polium announced that they are working on a new multi-chain gaming console and infrastructure for Web3 gaming. And since then, content creators and gaming sites alike has been picking it apart and immediately decries its worth and possibility to make any type of change in the industry. So let's take a look at what it is and what it is trying to accomplish and whether they have reasonable ambition levels that are within their reach. Polium argues in their white paper that they have identified a problem where Web3 games are spread across different blockchains, which makes them difficult to find, implying that users would have to visit different websites and use different wallets just to play their favorite games. But what does a console have to do with games that are played on the web? Well, according to Polium, the amount of gamers who play on consoles is greater than those who play on PC. Combined with the cost and complexity of building a gaming computer, console would provide an easy and affordable medium for users to find and play all Web3 games out there. To the people who aren't familiar with the blockchain, this will sound like Greek to them. And it's not so strange considering the blockchain has only been around since 2008 and has only in recent years started to butt off relational content to it, like for example non-fungible tokens or NFTs. I'm not going to go too deep on what all of those terms mean. There are plenty of resources out there to learn more. But here is a brief explanation on the most important concepts. The blockchain is an open distributed ledger that can record transactions between two parties efficiently and in a verifiable and permanent way. The ledger itself can also be programmed to trigger transactions automatically. Non-fungible tokens, or NFTs, are digital data often in form of a picture stored on the blockchain. The NFT is also combined with a record of the ownership of said token, meaning only one person can own the NFT at a time. And through the use of cryptocurrency, people can buy and sell those tokens at will. Web3 games, sometimes called play-to-earn, play-to-own, crypto, blockchain, or NFT games, are digital games which use blockchain technology as an underlying component of a game's economy. These games are defined by having game assets that can be owned by the players in the form of NFTs. The Polium 1 console will be created to play games and join the metaverses that are built on the blockchain, and also allow users to earn and trade NFTs. The controller comes with a fingerprint scanner in order to authenticate the user as they power on their console, sign in, or make a transaction. The console is said to support blockchains like Immutable X, Solana, Polygon, Ethereum, BNB, Wax, EOS, and Harmony. And in order to do so, the console comes with its own multi-chain wallet, which can hold each cryptocurrency for the user. Polium will also create a Chrome extension for their wallet, which will allow users to play instantly from their PC without the need to visit the game's official webpage. The extension will also provide a way for users to discover more Web3 games and metaverses. The console will also have its own app store connected to it. There, users can download games, metaverses, and apps that are available to the console. For developers, they will need to publish their games to the Polium store in order for it to be available on the console. Polium will provide a SDK, a software development kit, for developers to make their games and apps compatible with the console. According to the creators, the console will be powerful enough to run high-performance games that are built on the blockchain. As of writing this, they are working on a prototype, but say it will have custom hardware and a custom CPU/GPU provided by NVIDIA that is supposed to be able to handle 4K games with 8K HDR, which stands for High Dynamic Range, and is a technology that shows greater detail in both very bright and very dark scenes. While most Web3 games aren't high performance, Polium wants the console to be future safe, arguing that many high performance Web3 games are being built right now. From the looks of it, they appear to want to create a console roughly equivalent with current gen consoles. There isn't a lot of information regarding the team behind Polium. Having that amount of promises from a company with no apparent prior experience in the gaming nor the crypto industry can be an ominous signal. There are a lot of examples of companies that created and hyped a new NFT project, which in the end was nothing more than a scam to trick people off millions of dollars. The internet has answered this project with a lot of skepticism, and while the company has nothing to show yet, they already allow people to sign up and pre-order a spot to be one of the first to receive the console. That way, the company can receive capital to keep up the development of the console. However, there is no certainty that they will ever deliver anything. Only time will tell if and when this will turn into something. According to Polium's roadmap, they aim to have a functional prototype somewhere between 2022 and 2024. What do you think about the new console? Is it a scam, or is it the start of a new era of gaming? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and if you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. You have watched Outplay TV, and I'll see you next time.